creeping.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here I want to give you some tips how to buy something at Shopee. Firstly, you must have a Shopee application in your phone. You can install it at Play Store or iOS. Let's open it. You can log in, and if you don't have an account, you must create it. If you already have an account, you can log in with short message, Line, or Facebook. If you already log in, you must input your own data like profile, your address, and another else. After that, the display will show like this. If already like this, you can search what you want to buy. Here's the example. I want to buy BB cream caution, okay? And the display like this. Here I want to choose, okay? If you already find something you want to buy, you can add it to the basket. The basket are like this. Okay, let's click. Okay. Add to the basket, and you go to the first display, and like this you go to the basket. You can see it. Okay, let's waiting about this. Okay, after that you can click this check out. Okay, check out. Let's click the checkout. And that will show like this. You can choose the payment method. Here I choose Indomart as a payment method. You can choose Indomart, bank, or another else. Okay. After that you can confirm it. If you already choose everything, you can make this. Click this. If you already click that, that will show code like this. If you already have this code, you can go to Indomart and pay it. It's done. Everything is done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!